Hey, I'm John Esh, and I'm one of the owners here at Joyland. I was born and raised here in Lancaster County and grew up helping my dad in the roofing trade. He started the company with the purpose of supporting the family and taught us kids the value of good old hard work through an example of honesty and integrity in everything he did. Stick-to-it-iveness, he actually called it. Stick to it till you're done and the job is done right. I can't say I was always happy when he pulled out that word to encourage me on sticking to a task, but I'm certainly grateful for it now. Now that history has really impacted my purpose in running Joyland, and over the years, I've received an impressive number of calls from homeowners and property owners who are frustrated by contractors who ghost them after getting a deposit, or who just can't seem to meet expectations on stuff like communication or timelines or even transparent pricing. So my goal for you as a customer at Joyland is really simple. I want you to have a remarkable experience whether we're doing
roofing, siding, or windows and doors.
Whatever we're doing for you, it should be easy, seamless, and thorough. And that's really where my team comes in. There are three things we focus on: quick in our service, clear in our communication, and competent in our work. And though we don't score 100% every time on these, but it's what we talk about, it's what we think about, it's what we improve upon. For me as an owner, it's not okay if we knock it out of the park by being quick, but if we can't also be competent and set expectations well at the same time, it's not enough. We have to be all three. I am very grateful to have a team of people working with me who understand these values and work hard to make them a reality for each of our customers. And that's why I have confidence in what we can do for you. I understand that a roof or new siding or gutters is a big investment, and it's not something you want to have to do more than once. Now listen to this. My guarantee to homeowners, or the Joyland Promise as I call it, is that you don't pay a penny until we're done and you're happy. And it's really that simple. No strings attached. And yes, I've stuck by this and given away a free roof here and there, but my primary concern is not just to make another dollar, but to serve my community with honesty, integrity, and the stick-to-itiveness my dad taught me. So look, me and my team would love to have the opportunity to serve you and show you that home improvement doesn't have to be painful. It can be a process that's easy and understandable, and hopefully even remarkable from start to finish. So if this sounds like something that you'd like to get from a contractor, give us a call or send us a website form, and we'd be happy to come out, inspect, give you a quote, and treat you the way that we want to be treated by a contractor.